Remove dirt, oil, and makeup from the face with the makeup remover. Cleanse face with cleanser. Apply cotton pads with blackhead export solution to the face for 5 minutes at the area with blackhead or whitehead. Abrasion, clean pores, remove blackhead, whitehead, skin smoothing and dead cells removal. Parameter setting, time, 5 minutes. Water output level, medium. Suction, set according to face status of the user. Move the handle in circle for 3 times, then lift once on face. After covering the whole face, clean the nose area again. Scrubber, deep cleansing, remove deep blackheads, whiteheads, and pimples. Parameter setting, time, 5 minutes. Energy, 3 to 7. Mode, default mode. Cleanse the face with a wet wipe, while gliding the scrubber from the chin to the edge of face and end at the forehead. For area with deep blackheads or pimples, press the scrubber on the blackhead to vibrate it out. Cleanse face. Spray, hydrate skin, shrink enlarged pores. Parameter setting, time, 3 minutes. Mix the toner and essence at a ratio of 2 to 1 in the spray bottle. Turn on the instrument, spray face at a distance of 10 centimeters. Colder hammer, shrink enlarged pores, calming and repairing. Parameter setting, time, 10 minutes. Apply essence to the whole face, move the spray tip in circles from the chin to the edge of face and end at the forehead. RF, activate collagen, tighten skin, improve sagging skin. Parameter setting, time, 10 minutes. Energy, 3 to 15. Mode, default mode. Apply massage cream to the face evenly. Move the RF head in circles upward on the chin, from the middle of face to the side on cheek, and upward to the hairline on the forehead. With the RF head, lift upward on the chin, from the middle of face to the side on cheek, and upward to the hairline on the forehead. Repeat the above steps on the other side. Cleanse the face. Ultrasound, stimulating cell regeneration and introducing nutrients. Parameter setting, time, 10 minutes. Energy, 3 to 7. Mode, default mode. Apply essence to the whole face with the ultrasound head, lift from the chin to the edge of the face. Move the ultrasound head in circles from the chin to the edge of face and end at the forehead. With the ultrasound head in one hand, lift from the chin to the edge of face. Apply a mask, 15 minutes. Cover eyes with a wet wipe, apply a mask to face, then put the photon mask on face. Remove the photon mask and the mask, cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, lotion, cream, SPF to face. It is recommended to take 1 session a week, and a course of treatment is made up of 10 sessions. Contraindications: women in period of pregnancy or lactation, people with heart disease or pacemaker, people with unhealed wound from a surgery or in the recovery period, people suffering from epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, malignant tumors, people suffering from skin disease or infectious diseases.